how to turn off two-factor authentication on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So Apple does not allow you to turn off two-factor authentication for Apple IDs created after 2018. If your Apple ID was created after that time, you cannot disable 2FA. It's enforced for security, and you can only change your trusted device or phone numbers. However, if your Apple ID was created before 2018 and you still see the option to turn it off, here's how you can do it. For that, you want to go ahead and open up Settings application, and then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your Apple ID right over here. Inside your Apple ID, go ahead and tap on Sign In and Security. And then inside Sign In and Security, you'll then be able to find two-factor authentication. Tap onto it. And just like so, if the option is available, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Turn off two-factor authentication, and after that, you may need to answer security questions and confirm your choices. But if you don't see the option to turn it off, Apple now enforces 2FA for nearly all new accounts. In that case, your only choices are to change the trusted number and add a secondary trusted device, and also update your recovery email. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.